Did you know Google Chrome uses your location to personalize search results? But what if you want to change your location? Maybe you're traveling, testing a website, or just want to see what's trending in another region. In this video, I'll show you how to change location on Google Chrome for different devices. Let's get started. So in the first part, we will show you 2 ways to change location on Google Chrome for desktop users. The first way is to change developer settings. Launch Google Chrome on your Windows or Mac. Right-click on the home page to select the Inspect option or press the shortcut on the screen we provided. Find the 3-dot icon on the top right corner and choose More Tools and Sensors. At the bottom of the page, you can see the location option, and select the location you prefer. But please note, this way only works on the web where you changed. The second way is to change language and regions. Launch Google Chrome on your computer. Next, go to Google Search Settings and head to Other Settings. Find the Language and Region option. Finally, access the results language and region. You can change them as you need. Some users asked a question, can I change location on Google Chrome for iOS and Android? Unfortunately, you can't directly change your location on Google Chrome for iOS and Android. However, you can disable location tracking to stop Chrome from using your real location. Here's how. For Android, launch the Chrome app on your phone. Next, click the 3-dot icon on the top right corner to go to Settings. Scroll down to find Site Settings. Block the location option and done. For iOS, head to Settings on your device. Search Chrome in Settings. Then, find Location option. Check Never to block the location on your iOS devices. Fortunately, there is an easy way to change location on Google Chrome, using a VPN. Let's show you how to do it. Connecting a VPN server will hide your real IP address. UFO VPN features a strict no-logs policy and provides more than 2,000 servers in 50 countries. With its advanced encryption technology, all your online activities will be protected and private. Click the link in the description to download and install UFO VPN. Next, open and launch UFO VPN on your devices. Choose a server as you want. Then, tap on the Connect icon. And look, my IP has changed. And that's it. Now you know how to change your location on Google Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay safe and see you in the next video.